Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook delicious blue crabs at home. First, gently pick up each live crab by its back legs, being careful to avoid their claws. Rinse them thoroughly under cold, running water, using a stiff brush to scrub away any mud or grit from their shells. This ensures your crabs are perfectly clean and ready for cooking, making for a much better meal. To steam your blue crabs, you'll need a large pot equipped with a sturdy steamer basket or a rack. Pour approximately 1 inch of liquid into the bottom of the pot. You can use water, beer, or even a mix with a splash of vinegar for extra zest. This liquid will create the steam needed to cook the crabs evenly and infuse them with wonderful flavor. Once your pot is ready, carefully place the clean blue crabs onto the steamer rack. Sprinkle a generous amount of your favorite seafood seasoning, like Old Bay, over them. You can layer more crabs and seasoning if needed. Bring the liquid to a strong rolling boil, then immediately reduce heat to medium-high, cover the pot tightly, and steam for 15 to 20 minutes until they turn a vibrant orange-red color. You'll know your blue crabs are perfectly cooked when their shells have transformed from a dark blue-green to a beautiful bright orange-red. If you're unsure, crack one open. The meat should be opaque and firm. Carefully remove the crabs from the pot, being mindful of the hot steam. Let them rest for about 5 minutes on a platter. This brief rest helps the delicious meat firm up nicely before you dig in. Now for the best part, serving and enjoying your efforts. Arrange the hot, steamed blue crabs on a large platter or newspaper-covered table. Offer small bowls of melted butter and fresh lemon wedges on the side for dipping. Don't forget a roll of paper towels or plenty of napkins, as this is definitely a hands-on, messy, and incredibly rewarding meal. Savor every sweet bite of your homemade blue crabs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.